Hi friends, it's Miss Michelle. How would you like to join me in some sensory play today? I have the table from your preschool classroom. Look at this. And I got some dried beans and some corn kernels. Came from the husks of corn. Let's mix it all together. Oh, look at that. Listen to that. Oh, it feels so good. It's so cold. Ooh. Oh, boy. Put some corn in here. And let's scoop and pour. Scoop. Oh, boy. Look at this. I used a milk carton. We can scoop. Wow! Scoop. Oh, this is so much fun. Wow! So loud. We can scoop into a bowl. Pour. So much fun. Sometimes when I'm angry or sad or just feeling a little hyper, I like to play with my sensory. It makes me calm. Hope you can do this at home, my friends. Have a nice day. I'll see you next time.